Hello and welcome to the Beerman Fan TV. It's the Upfront Match Preview Show as San Miguel taking on Baracabul Phoenix tomorrow at Smart Araneta Coliseum. Tip off is 3 p.m. San Miguel are having a great additions for the lineup. Gary David, where he can score 3-point shooting from around the arc. Also in the corner, and he can aggress some of the opponent players where he can score what he can do for the Beerman. And with Gary David's new addition, San Miguel can possibly a turning point for winning the Commissioner's Cup title. But Baracabul Phoenix having their new strong style in any march of any distance. JC Intal, Mick Penisi, and the rest of the Phoenix are going to smash the Beerman's winning streak, but they're looking to halt San Miguel in the top 2 seed from the team standings. But San Miguel are dreaming for another one win will be enough to qualify for the quarterfinals. So if San Miguel wins tonight, they will go to 6-3 winning standing, but we will try their best as they use Gary David, could possibly in the starting 5, but we don't know yet what Coach Leo Austria's decision for the Beermen for tomorrow's game. Anyway, my possible starting 5 will be Chris Ross, Marshall Lester, Samarad, Santos, and Wilkerson. My possible formation will be 2-1-2 lineup formation from offense to defense. So my predictions, I think San Miguel will get a win with a 97-85 win in favor of the Beermen. Again, it's San Miguel 97, Phoenix 85. Anyway, let us tell us comment section below. Like us on Facebook, facebook.com/thebeermanfantv. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram, both at the Beerman Fan TV. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe of the Beerman Fan TV. I'm Andrew Alvaro, and we'll see you in the next video. Inshallah, bye.